today we got some more music to react to, you guys. Today you guys we are going to react to Bad Motor Scooter by Motris. This is my second time reacting to Motris, you guys. Just getting a hip, you guys. It was done requested. I'm pretty sure I did Stillin'. Was it Stillin'? No, it was Space Station 5. Yeah, Space Station 5 I just reacted to, you guys. So let's get into this one, you guys. They came in nice on that one. So Bad Motor Scooter. Ooh.
There's a red bridge in Oxford. You'll be in my place in less than a day. So get on your bad motor scooter and ride. I'm going to my place and stay all night. Yeah. The first thing in the morning we'll be feeling alright, 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 alright. Get on your bad motor scooter. Time I seen your face, swore that no one would take your place. Now since you've been gone, I've been feeling bad, yeah. I come out to your place, I'm afraid of your dad. So you get on your bad motor scooter and ride.
Damn, that guitar though. Who's got a motorcycle? That is crazy. That is going in both ears, you guys. So I guess it's about a motorcycle, you guys, but I was getting like a bad boy. If you're getting lonely at your daddy's farm, you can just come over here and I'm gonna keep you company. Bad Motor Scooter, basically about me is what I'm getting at, a motorcycle, you guys. Show out. You guys, like I said, I promise, we got 2 in 1. This one is Rock Candy. Unwanted.
But you're rock candy, baby. And your heart sweet and sticky. Yes. And you're rock candy, baby. Heart sweet and sticky. Oh yes. Heart sweet and yeah. When you're 17, reaching for your dreams, but don't let no one reach it for you. Pull up your pants, stretch out, take a chance. Nothing can be done, but you can do it. 'Cause you're rock candy, baby. Your heart sweet and sticky. Yes, you are. You're rock candy, baby. So hot, sweet.
Is this basically about like being yourself? Don't let people judge you. If you want to rock out because you're hot. What's it say? You're like candy, baby, hard, sweet, and sticky. So have more confidence in yourself, because know that you are the shit. That drummer though. Yeah. That was crazy. The drums, the riffs. Gosh, that was nice, you guys. Rest in peace, Ronnie. So I have reacted to them 3 times. This will make it 3 times I've reacted to them so far, you guys. Very interesting, you guys. I haven't got a song that, you know, I can relate to all the way, but I'm definitely digging this group, you guys. So let me know how you guys feel. If you guys want to stay on this channel, I will definitely keep them on this channel. See what else they have to bring to the table when it comes to music, you guys. Let me know how you guys feel down in the comments. If you guys want to stay on this channel, smash the like button, hit that red one. Let's go.